But that's why the stimulus measures and other measures are so important.
But you might be able to crank up that the international students and migration so that the numbers might not be as
You
dire.
can mitigate it, and that's we'll be working closely with the states and territories on that.
What about the state borders, though? Mark McGowan last week said, "Oh well, it's not in our interests to
Apologies,
reopen."
I've still got
Yeah,
this button
please
in my
do.
back.
Feel free. But Mark McGowan last week talks about not reopening because it's not in their interests. South Australians, Northern Territorians don't earn as much. They're not going to spend as much. What do you make of that